In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your website to Google Analytics in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Google Analytics website. You can find it by searching for Google Analytics in your preferred search engine, or by navigating directly to the Analytics tools and solutions for your business page on Google's site. Once you're there, look for the option to sign into Analytics. If you already have a Google account, you can use it to log in. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it, so make sure you have all your login information ready. Once signed in, you'll be greeted with the Google Analytics homepage. From this homepage, the next step is to find and click on Settings. You can typically find this option in the admin area, often represented by a gear icon. Navigating through these settings is crucial because it allows you to configure your Google Analytics to match your specific needs. After accessing the settings, focus your attention on the data streams section. This section is where you'll create or manage the data streams that feed information from your website to Google Analytics. Once you're in this section, look for an option to choose a platform. Since we're targeting a website for tracking, from the available options, you'll want to select Web. At this point, you're almost there. The next step involves directing your attention to entering your website's URL. This is where you'll specify the website you want to track. Enter the full web address, double checking for any typos or errors, as incorrect details can affect the accuracy of the data Analytics provides. With your URL entered, you might see some additional settings or prompts. Follow any specific instructions provided by Google Analytics, such as naming your stream or adjusting measurement options to suit your goals. So just to quickly recap, you began by heading to Google Analytics online and signing in. From there you accessed the admin settings, navigated to data streams, selected web as your platform, and finally added your site's URL. Each of these steps is essential in ensuring your website is successfully added and that Google Analytics can start tracking pertinent data. Always remember, the effectiveness of the data you collect is heavily dependent on timely updates and accurate setup. If you encounter any issues or need further customization, the Google Analytics Help Center is a robust resource for troubleshooting and advanced configuration tips. And there you have it, your website is now ready to be analyzed for vital insights that can drive your business decisions forward. Happy analyzing!